What's up, YouTube? Coming at you today for a bike review. Got here my Yz450 2011 with a big bore kit. As you can see, went with the cylinder works. It's the 470. Pro taper bars, brush guards, blue spokes, blue skid plate, got the double wide foot pegs, trying out my new GoPro. So if you guys like this video, let me know. I'm gonna be making a bunch more, doing some riding vlogs as well. Let me start it up for you guys. Usually takes 3 kicks. It's a cold start. I haven't ran it in a few days. Runs real good. I put new clutch plates in it also when I bought it. I got about $4 grand in it now with the big bore kit and the amount for the bike. Alright guys, let me know what you think. More videos to come. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.